What's up, you guys? Your boy Boost Boo, man. I'm back with another vlog. If you know, you know, man. Hey, man, I'm in Alabama, man. Woo! As you can see, boy, this is. I gotta watch my steps out here, man. This snow thick, dog. This snow thick, dog. And I walk into my mailbox to check it. Pop said he's scared of the snow. I say, well, hey, everybody got a weekend, huh? Let's show some mail up in here. So your boy is walking in the snow. And man, this shit thick and pretty. But will you be sick? Look how I'm walking. Will you be sick? The road. I want to pull the fold out, but I can't get it out. So I ain't gonna put it out. Cause it's too cold to be trying to put it back in. You feel? Ooh. It's cold out here. Yeah, the start, man. We got, ooh, look at the babies seen snow. I don't think this the first time the scat seen snow. Oh man, this is the first time. Y'all driving in that shit, man. I'm gonna go home. Why? The scat in the snow. It probably ain't the first time the box seen snow, but it's the first time the scat seen snow. I'm pretty sure. I don't recall. I know the Monte Carlo probably have seen snow before. The boys on them bikes, man. I hear them. The boys on them bikes, man. Don't make me pull out this bike. But it's snowing, man. I gotta sit in the car for a minute, y'all. What y'all see, man? Do you see? Hold on, so I'll be back with y'all guys. Sad to say, you guys, I'm not finna be out here in this cold because it is cold, but you see, they snowed in. They snowed in, nah, man, shit. They ain't going nowhere. They snowed in. They get their first little thing of snow on my end. They might have got snow before, but they get the first little thing on my end. But it's scat for sure. First time it snowed. And I told you this shit up to the top, man. Y'all better. Hey, man, y'all be careful out there, man. Y'all gotta drive on that road. Be careful, man. What's up, Wild? It's snow out here thick, boy. Try to walk on this black ice. Now this was slippery. This right here slippery. Oh. Yeah, that's it. But man, the snow is thick, as you can see. That's burying my foot right now. Hold on, I'm putting this trash can around. But that's what y'all drive. Woo! That snow just hit that hand. Hit. Cold. But that's what y'all driving on, man. This is black ice right here, you guys. And it's real. I tell you what, cold, that goddamn snow. That shit, oh shit! I'm telling you, that black ice real, boy. That snow got thick out here, man. That snow got thick out here last night, as you can see. Like I say, this is how probably our last chance in 5 to 7, 10 more years before it snow again. So I had to break this out, y'all. I wasn't get y'all a cold start, but that hoe won't even crank. Yeah. It's too cold to be putting all that extra shit out, man. Right, too cold to be doing anything. So I'm going back in the house because my hands is freezing. Like, comment, subscribe. This shit is over.